Hello there. In this video we'll learn three things. The first one is we'll get familiar with Pinterest, how to use it, how to browse through it. Second thing, I will teach you to understand what to pin, and we'll check our first web designer blog so you can see which topics we are focusing on. And third thing is you will check boards on Pinterest we already have there, and you'll see what we have already pinned there, so it will be super easy to replicate what we've done here. Okay, so step one, getting familiar with Pinterest. What you see here is our Pinterest first web designer page you'll be using, and here you can see it's very minimalistic. Let's start from the left side. This is our name, followers we've got, and how many people we are following. Here you can see all the boards we already have created. As you can see, we have 42 boards there. How many pins have we done? As you can see now it's close to 2000. And how many likes we've got. Clicking on the Pinterest logo, you'll see all the friends feed, and I will explain later how you will use it, but let's leave it for now. And here you can, by clicking on this icon, Dainis, you can get back to this board page, and you can here check boards, check all the pins you got, all the likes, and here also you can add pins in browser. Add a pin or upload a pin, and you can also create new boards here. Okay, so the next step, what do you need to pin? Let's check first web designer, and I will explain how you should browse it so you understand exactly what topics we are focusing on. I thought the easiest way for you would be just to check all those categories. As you see, this is coding programming category, and we have all the keywords there. Cheat sheets, HTML, CSS, tutorials. The same is with freebies. You can click on each of those categories and you'll see deeper explanation in the articles, what we are doing. Inspiration. As you can see, we also cover logos, photography, typography, web interfaces, and tutorials. Coding, icons, photo effects, web interface again, and web design. Here is also blogging, freelance, social media, tips, tools, usability, and of course WordPress. The easiest way for you would be just to browse through all those little categories, and basically it's all about web design, blogging, social media, programming, web designing, graphic design. And on the Pinterest we kind of are searching for the same audience, and that's why you should focus on those topics. And later, as you go, also expand those boards, create new ones, but about that later. Okay, the last thing we'll do today, I will teach you how to actually browse through those boards, and so it will be very easy for you to get started, because I worked for 2 weeks to this page already, so there are 2000 pins already in place, 42 boards, and for you, for now, you just need to replicate what I have done. So again, here you should browse through all those 42 boards and click on each single one of them. For example, let's take web design infographics. And as you can see, I added description on each of those categories, and so it would be very easy for those other people to understand what can they expect there, and in the same time it will be very easy for you. So you just read this description, check what I have pinned here, and basically try to replicate that. and you can get back to boards right here and just browse through. If you have any questions, however, please feel free to ask.